Hi everybody, welcome back. So I have a final reveal on AMT's 1970 Corvette, the LT1 and slash ZR1 Coupe. So if you remember a few weeks ago, had a little issue when I put the 2K clear on, so I just want to let you know I was actually able to strip the clear and the body color off. And I want to thank everybody for their advice. And what I ended up doing was I ended up sanding the flat surfaces of the car and to kind of cut through the 2K clear. And then I used some strong power degreaser and let it sit for a few days, and all the remaining 2K clear and paint came off the car, and I was able to repaint it. So let me show you what it looks like. I'm gonna bring this up a little bit closer. I'm gonna drive this down a little bit. Sorry for the camera, folks, so you can actually see it. And let's see if I can get this to start. Wherever the button went, where'd the button go? There it is. Let it spin. So let me tell you, this was actually a very decent build. It went together very, very well. There's a couple of fit things about it that I kind of worked around. As you can see, the hood is one of those things. The chassis and the body itself are supposed to hold the hood in place. Well, that doesn't seem to happen, but I can live with that. I'm not too worried about it. The rest of the car went together very, very well. I was very pleased with this. And it's done spinning around and everybody's dizzy. Let me stop this. And then I will show you the underside first. Right. There you go. This went together pretty well. I just did basic black on it. I didn't do any weathering or anything like that. I just kind of wanted to build the car itself. So there's that. Let's see if I can pick this up so you can see the interior. The interior is that blue, what was it? Deep blue or mid blue? Mid blue from Tamiya is the interior color. But this went together, like I said, very, very well. Let me see if I can turn this around and get the hood open here a little bit. The other fit issue that I'll show you that I had, so down here on the bottom, you can see here there's a gap here, and there's a little bit of a gap here. So when you put the chassis in, this is then supposed to go on. Well, there's just a very small tab that on both sides of this, so the side and the side, essentially of this skirt here, that just about fits. And yeah, I was able to get it actually glued into place, and then the front grille and stuff actually kind of helps hold it in place. Sorry about that, I'm back. My wife was actually calling me for a minute. Let me see if I can get the hood open. See, we'll do this before. Hold on. There we go. There's the engine. Just kind of, sorry, kind of awkward. There's the engine. So again, like I said in the other video, not long ago. This is the first time I've actually added a distributor cap and wired up the engine. So that was kind of fun. I will get better at it, so I apologize for the poor wiring job, but you know, first time for everything. Okay, there we go. So there we have it, folks. Real quick, nice and clean. I liked it. I would actually build this kit again. I hope everybody's doing well. I want to thank all my subscribers for checking out my channel and sticking with me. I hope you like the content here. Please like, comment, share the video if you feel it's worth it. And I will talk to you all real soon. I hope you're all having a great week. Bye.